In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video introduction to your Upwork profile. A short, clear video can help clients quickly understand who you are, how you work, and why you're the right fit. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I'll share practical tips so your video looks professional and displays correctly on your profile. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and press Enter. From the results, click the official Upwork website. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and log into your freelancer account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're in, look for the prompt or banner that says, Complete your profile. Click it to open your profile editor. This area contains all the sections clients see, and completing it improves your visibility on the platform. Inside the profile editor, find the section labeled Video Introduction. Click it to open the video options. This is where you'll connect your introduction video so it appears right at the top of your profile. Before you add anything, a quick tip. Keep your video concise. About 30 to 60 seconds is ideal. Speak clearly, introduce your specialty, mention a key result or skill, and end with how you help clients achieve their goals. Good lighting and clear audio go a long way. Next, choose the option to link your YouTube video. Upwork supports pasting a YouTube URL, which is fast and reliable. Make sure your video on YouTube is set to public or unlisted, not private, so clients can play it directly on your profile. Copy the share link from your YouTube video and paste it into the field provided in the Upwork video introduction section. Double-check that the link is complete and doesn't include extra characters or spaces. A quick preview on YouTube beforehand helps confirm everything looks and sounds right. When you're satisfied, click Save. Upwork will process the link and attach the video to your profile. After saving, visit your public profile view to confirm the video appears and plays correctly. If it doesn't show up, recheck the link, update the YouTube privacy setting if needed, and save again. That's it. You went to Google, searched for Upwork, opened the site, accessed Complete Your Profile, selected Video Introduction, linked your YouTube video, pasted the URL, and saved your changes. Keep your introduction friendly, confident, and client-focused, and you'll make a strong first impression. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Upwork profile.